make it on time. I'm sorry for that. Um, so today I came on live. I am interested to convey few important informations to each one of you. Uh, it is as you all know that your company is doing, to be honest with you, extremely well even in this lockdown period also. Many of our distributor leaders are able to maintain their weekly income of 2.5 lakh. That itself shows we are able to fly above the difficulties of lockdown. Our distributors are extremely proactive and competent, so that's the reason they are able to arrest or minimize the effect of lockdown to our business. Of course, our products are playing a vital role. Our products are need of the hour. So that way, our distributors are able to help over a billion population of India to stay healthy. So that way, our role, I strongly believe, our role is vital. Like a person who is working for a law enforcement agency or any other important roles, people playing any other important roles like an officer of a law enforcement agency. So lockdown cannot make a breakdown for Vivides, because we are not dealing with the mere FMCG products or some kitchen utensils or products which are not essential. Our people are dealing with extremely essential products, so it is very important. So, but at the same time, there are challenges for our company to operate. Here, 100 plus people are working here in our company, in offices alone, and the factory around another 100 plus people. So we are a team of, in corporate, a team of 250 people supporting our entire Viva network across the country. But unfortunately, we are working with a very limited capacity. In this office now, I can see not more than 15-20 people sitting here, where around 100 people supposed to be seated. So in this situation, we are doing our level best, but still at Indus Viva, best means to be the best. Scope of improvement is always there. Today we could make the payment to our distributors the last week commission, that is, today is Tuesday. We could make the commission, but we are not happy. Coming Monday, this is one news I wanted to share with each one of you. Coming Monday onwards, we will be paying the commissions Monday itself. It will not go to Wednesday or even Tuesday. The products, the commissions will be paid coming Monday onwards, coming week onwards, Monday itself. This Friday closing commission will come to you on Monday itself, because this is the time. Many people, many of our distributors are actually, many part-time distributors are there. What information I have got, their salaries are affected. They really have a problem of managing their expenses. So one day before, if the commissions are reaching, our people will be very, very happy. it will help them to manage well. So so 20th is Monday. You will have your commission. It is one of my favorite person's birthday as well. So for that, one major challenge what we are facing is everybody is I'm not saying everybody, but majority people are placing the orders on Friday. That is actually making a lot of challenge for us. This processing the orders coming on Friday, and in between Sunday is a working day. Of course, we started working on Sundays to ensure making the payments on Monday, but still Sundays are actually Friday orders are actually making a challenge. So without our support, we distributor support, the corporate team will not be able to process it. So my humble request to everyone is kindly place your orders Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, worst case by Thursday. Friday will make it extremely challenging. And we have made a small reward. It's like whoever is placing the orders on Monday, next 3 months, they will get every 25 PV, they will get 50 rupee cash back. I would say whoever is placing the orders on Monday, next 3 months, will get every 25 PV 50 rupees cash back. Hope this would be interesting. Whoever is feeling it is interesting can leave a comment. M. Shivakumar, excellent, sir. Thank you, Shivakumar ji. Mrigang ji, yes. Thank you so much. Yeah. So the announcement is whoever is placing the order on Monday, every 25 PV will get 50 rupee cash back for next 3 months. Why? We want to cultivate a habit of placing the orders on Monday, and that will help us to make the commissions on Monday. So in order to achieve that, the Friday midnight is our cutoff, but we are giving time till Saturday morning 9:30. We need to stop that. Saturday morning 9:29. After that, we will not be able to process it. So what we will do, we will make it Saturday morning 5:59 a.m. Theoretically, our closing is Friday midnight. Practically, we will get an additional 5 hours 59 minutes. That is Saturday morning 5:59 a.m. will be our cutoff. Previously, we used to give a late activation option by making some fees. That option also we need to put an end, because even one person is opting that option, the entire India commission will get delayed. So that is not a good thing. So we want to pay commissions on Monday. So for that, we are taking, because last week we tried our level best, but still we could make the payment only today, Tuesday. But to make it Monday, there are 2 ways. One is encouraging our people to make the orders on Monday. Number 2, cutoff time is practical cutoff time, Saturday 5:59 a.m. No fines, no request, please, because your support is very important to achieve this. One request will delay the entire India payment, commission payment. Right. Hope all of you will agree with this. And furthermore, shortly, if you go to in your virtual office, we can see in an enroll link on your left side. If you click on that enroll link, within 1 week, you will have a new option. By clicking that new option, you will be able to send a link to a distributor who wanted to become a distributor. If you are clicking it from your virtual office, then default sponsor ID will be you. You just need to add the details of where it's supposed to be placed, that ID number and the placement ID and the position left or right. By the time, okay, if that prospect is not utilizing it immediately, if he is using after 2-3 days, but in between, if somebody is already enrolled in that portion, when the new prospect is clicking on that link, it may say link is expired. At that point of time, you can send a fresh link. So for a new person, it will be very, very easy. Just by clicking the link, he will be able to become a distributor. This option will be available from your virtual office before this Friday itself. But the link, and sorry, not before this Friday, after this Friday, I would say, this Saturday onwards. But that feature is available in the form of a link which you will get it from your Upline DSC members or Upline Diamonds. That link you will get, or you can get it, that link from the company DCS team also. From virtual office, you will be able to send that link from coming Saturday onwards. That is one improvement we have made. And as you all know that the PCM and VOTM orders are automated now. You can go to the order page. Here one important point is we all need a laptop to utilize all these functions effectively, because from mobile everything may not be very easy. So please start using your laptops. So PCM and VOTM orders, you can do it from your virtual office. If you go and click the order link, from the link you will get it. If it is PCM, if first you need to upload your affidavit. After uploading the affidavit, company's compliance department will take little time to verify that. As soon as they verify, the status will change. As soon as they verify, the status will change from pending to approved. That time your order will be processed. Then another thing is, as I told you, we have got a manpower constraint in our office. So we are putting an end to the email culture. There won't be any email IDs with the company. We will have only web mails. What is web mail? I know most of you are already using it. You just enter into your virtual office. In the virtual office on the left side, you have a column called Vmail, Viva Mail. No more emails, henceforth only Vmails. Once you click on Vmail, all the options, all the sublinks will be appearing. For example, support, one sublink will be there. Compliance, one sublink will be there. Like all the sublinks will be there. So email IDs like support, compliance, contact, none of these email IDs will be functioning anymore. Only the web mails, the Vmails only will be working. So choose the correct subject. Whatever you supposed to write in the mail, you write in your virtual office there. Press the submit button, the mail will reach the company. Here one important information is, for the company to process the mail quickly, you should choose the right subject. For example, you are choosing a compliance subject and you are writing something related to product dispatch and product delivery, then it will go to the wrong hands, because each link will be handled by different people. If there are some 10-15 links, there are 15 different people are handling it. So a link which is supposed to go to person A, if it is going to person B, then it will take its own sweet time to go from B to A. Even days, I'm not talking hours, even days. So please ensure when you are choosing the link, the sublink, the subject link, you are opting the right subject. Then another interesting feature we have is our customers can place the order. Now we only distributors can place the order. If somebody is not a distributor, he can place the order. This is another amazing feature we are launching. So he has to go to the product website. For example, I am a customer. I have to go to iCoffee website. There I have to place an order for the product. For that only I need to give my address, phone number, name, mobile number. At that point of time, it will ask ID number. When it is asking a distributor ID number, if I know an ID number, someone whom I know or from whom I have heard about Indus Viva opportunity, Indus Viva product, I just need to type his ID number there. System will capture it and the order shall be executed. I mean, the customers cannot order from virtual office. Customers can order only from the respective product websites. And for that, they need an ID number. No password, nothing required, just an ID number. The order will be processed. But I don't have an ID number then. For example, in coming days, we are going to do so many online campaignings for our products. Online campaign in the sense, we are going to do some advertisements for our product in the virtual world, not a TV ad or newspaper ad, but you will be able to see Indus Viva advertisements, product advertisements, not the opportunity. Product advertisements are coming up in sites like Google, Facebook, YouTube, etc. When somebody see an advertisement of an Indus Viva product, and if he is happy with the product, he will go to a respective product website, like for example iSlim. He will go to iSlim and he will place an order, but he needs an ID number, but he don't know any distributor. Then the second option will be coming PIN code. He has to type his PIN code. When he is typing the PIN code, under that PIN code, how many distributors are there? The entire list will come. But Ruby Underbowl, the list will not come. Here the preference is for star 250, star 500, star 1000. That category, the entire link will come. Entire list, name and ID number will come. So the customer has to choose. He has to click on one ID number. The moment he clicks on that ID number, order will be processed against that particular ID number. For example, you live in a place called Bathinda. Somebody from Bathinda has seen an advertisement of Indus Viva product in Google. He will go to the product website, that is iGlow. He wants to buy an iGlow. He will go to iGlow website. From the iGlow website, he will place the order. He is a customer. He can place the order. But company needs an ID number to process, because whatever product we sell, we will sell only through distributors. That is very clear. So we need an ID number. How the ID number he will get? He can type his PIN code, Bathinda PIN code he will type. Then how many distributors are there in Bathinda PIN code, under Bathinda PIN code, the entire name will appear. But not Ruby Underbowl. Only 250, 500 and 1000. He can click one ID number, which as per his choice. order will be executed against that ID. You will get a message that 500 rupee retail profit is credited in your account against this order. Number 2, you will get a message about that particular customer's name and contact number. So you can call that customer and introduce yourself, and you can tell him that, sir, future any support you need, if you need Indus Viva products, please be in touch with me. Like that, you can contact him and you can maintain him as a customer, or at a later point of time, if you want to convert him as a distributor, you can very much do that. So, for example, if you have got a star 250, he is little inactive, maybe due to lockdown or whatever is the reason, he is just away from you. When he is getting an SMS, Mr. Sukhvinder, 500 rupee retail profit credited in your account. And this is the customer who purchased the product. If you want, you can be in touch with him. This will motivate him like anything. If you count my over 21 years in network marketing, I would say this will motivate him more than a 2 days RTP. Any distributor will become vibrant just by seeing that. He will realize, oh, really there are people for these products. I could not find them. That's the reason I could not sell the product. And number 2, once a distributor is selected by a customer, then from that pin code, his name will not be appearing. No, his name will not be appearing. Then what will happen? The remaining people's name only will come. Once the entire people are over, if, for example, if 10 people are there in that, once the remaining all 9 people got one order like this, then again your name will appear. That is the way it goes. And in that area, if there is no pin code, then the nearest pin code will be shown. That is the way we will be operating it. So this is one point. And another point is my regular request. I request all of you to contribute whatever best you can in order to ensure the last mile delivery of our products. Now, in our virtual office, there is one feature. If you have not got the product, you will be clicking a link stating that you have not got the product. Whoever has not received the product, please go to your virtual office, click that link, because for you to land your virtual office, you have to give a feedback whether you received the product or not. That you please press that. I admit that that link was not working in all these days, but from tomorrow onwards, that link will be working. You will be getting a response from that link. Once you press that link, you will be getting a response. You will get a message. It will tell you the exact position of your product. So that will be working from tomorrow onwards. Please utilize that. So that will help you to know the exact position of your product. But let me tell you, please don't be under the impression that lockdown will Abhilashji, people see you, Naveen Monterio. Thank you so much, Naveen. I really wish to be because my heart, my soul, although I spent more than 1 year in corporate, I am still a distributor only. I can think like a distributor only. The point here is last mile delivery cannot be achieved without our leaders' cooperation. So I did a webinar about VOTM and its importance and the serving VOTM, and the mentors of Vibrant Viva will be coming on live on Monday. So they will be giving you more inputs about the effective utilization of VOTM. One point, let me tell you, whoever is having product delivery related concerns, kindly contact our DCS team in the toll-free number. It is working. Kindly contact them in the in the toll-free number that is working. So you will be getting a solution for that. But many areas are red zones, and it is keep changing. Today's green zone is becoming tomorrow red zone. Like that, it is keep changing. So we, the distributors, we have to step in to ensure the last mile delivery. In this point of time, who is doing business effectively? For example, I just wanted to quote one businessman from my home state, Kerala. His name is Mr. M.A. Yusuf Ali. He is the owner of Lulu Supermarkets, and he has given highest number of employments to Indian people in Middle East. What he did when the Gulf War between Iraq and Kuwait war was happening, this man has inaugurated a new supermarket in Abu Dhabi, that is in UAE. And he put an advertisement in a newspaper. The king of Abu Dhabi has seen that. He got surprised. He said, every localites in Abu Dhabi, they all are fleeing to neighboring safe havens. But one foreigner is opening a new supermarket in my country. King said, I have not seen this kind of loyalty to this land, even from my own citizens. So I wanted to see him. King called him to his palace, and King has offered him. King asked him, what made you to think like this? War is going on. My own citizens, my own family members run away from this country. But why you are opening a new business here? He said, my excellency, whatever I have gained, everything is from this country. If this country is sinking, let me also sink along with this. King got astonished. King told him, you are more than a citizen to this country. He has given him 28 acres of land free to construct a house. And second, he said, how much money you want? I will give you to do business. For 15 years, no interest, you return it to me after 15 years only. Today, Mr. Yusuf Ali is worth billions of dollars. He is more wealthier than Donald Trump of America. So it's all happened just one incident. When everybody was running away from the country, he stepped in. The same effect will have in your business. When people are sitting at home with a breakdown mentality, you have to step in and ensure the product deliveries, whichever way it is possible. Then you will be rated as the best leader among the entire direct selling community. So people will be standing with you. Many people got surprised. Even lockdown period, people are making ceiling 2.5 lakh rupees regular income. How it's possible? Because they stepped down. Their mind was not locked down. Everything, think and grow rich. That is what it says. So what they did, through one side, one hand is Zoom meetings. Other hand is they ensured product delivery in their organization through VOTM. Zoom meetings, VOTM. VOTM, Zoom meetings. This will ensure your business, your income will come back to the normal, pre-corona level. Don't be under the impression that the lockdown will get over. Bill Gates told BBC the phenomenon will continue for next 1.5 years. 1.5 years, he said this 6 months ago. Means next 1 year, this situation will continue. If you are invited for a 500 people wedding, will you go now? No. Don't think you are the only wise man. Other 499 people are also wise. So, accept the situation as it is. Accept it. This is the way the life will be. Accept it. Once you accept the situation, you will adapt the changes. You will adapt the new technology, a new way of doing business. You will adapt it. Then you accelerate. Then you accelerate. Step by step. Accelerating means not directly putting the top gear. Put the right gear and go to the top level. And I used to say in one live also, I said last time, I don't want Vivahites to look rich. I want them to be rich. Don't waste money for buying cars and all that, I have told. But now I am changing my statement. If you don't have a car, buy a car immediately. Because this is right time to buy a car. Because 2,500 crore was the regular everyday turnover of automobile industry. It came down to zero. 2,500 crore in a day came down to zero. So inventory is plenty available. You can do the best negotiation. Buy a car. That is important for the safety of yours and your family. Don't buy a luxury car. Buy what is your requirement, accordingly you buy. And nowadays foreign trip is not an exciting thing. That is the reason when somebody is achieving Ruby, we are reimbursing that money for the distributor to buy a car. It means we are giving that money to the dealer. From Ruby, if you are a Pearl, if you are already a Ruby, when you are going to Pearl, then Ruby ka foreign trip you will get whenever it is possible. But once you achieve for Pearl, you will be getting a car advance money. So that will again help our people to maintain social distancing and ensuring the safety of our distributors, family members. And whenever you are going out, it is very important to ensure the product delivery. You need to go out. The policemen are going out, health workers are going out. So by taking adequate precautions and as per the norms of the local authority, you must go out and ensure the material movement is happening. So buy a car, buy a laptop, then accept, adapt and accelerate. And this Monday onwards, expecting you all will submit maximum volumes on Monday, not Friday. And this cashback is a reward for your enthusiasm to do things on time. Because in today's scenario, it is not the survival of the fittest, it is the survival of the quickest. I repeat, it's not the fittest will survive, the quickest will survive. So, I love you, my Viva family. Stay safe. God bless you all. And take a commitment that during this lockdown period, my income will be better than pre-corona times. You can do it. I am sure about it. God bless you all. Happy to see your encouraging messages. Thank you, everyone. Love you all. God bless you.